In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening settings and scrolling to hit display and brightness available here. Now you need to tap on fonts. Pick one of those if you want to apply any default one and hit apply button. Or if you want to get something more interesting, select paid, latest or free. Then tap on any font style you want, buy it or download it for free, and tap on apply button. You can always go back to your default one in me section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!